Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make a sticky notes without double-sided tape, only using a normal tape. So yeah, for this you need just 3 ingredients. It's very easy. First is scissors. To cut the paper you could use scissor or even scale. I'm using scissor. And tape, normal tape. This is not double-sided tape guys, it is normal tape. And why I'm talking in English, because lots of my friends requested to talk in English because they couldn't understand Tamil. And then you need a white paper. You could use any color paper, white, colored paper or ruled paper. So let's see how to make. So guys, first you need to take a white sheet and then fold it in half. You could fold it in however shape you want. I'm folding it in a rectangular shape. If you want the same shape, follow my instructions. So you should just keep on folding until I think you guys know to fold. So if you want, you could fold in a rectangular shape, or even you could fold in a stripe shape. So I don't want it a stripe shape sticky note, so that's why I did in a rectangular shape. So now when you open the paper, you'll get an outline. In that outline you should cut them. Okay, so after cutting I'm going to show you guys. Okay, I've totally completed cutting. So now take one sheet and then take your normal tape. So after taking a normal tape, make sure that your tape sticky side is facing down. Then take your sticky side, turn it back and fold it. So and then again make sure to fold it like you should roll the tape. And after that, see the measurement of your paper. If it is long, you could cut it. So I have uploaded a sticky notes video with double-sided tape, and this is the video of without double-sided tape. So after sticking it to the paper, next take another paper, place it on the paper. Don't press too hard because it will be really tough to take it out. So just press slightly slowly. So next you need to take another tape and then stick it. Again place a paper on it. So I'm showed for 2 papers. I'm going to do the whole thing like that only and then show to you guys. So I finished making it. So this is how my sticky notes looks. So see, and now let's see how it works. So at the last I wanted to show it to you guys, that's why I sticked it like I pressed really hard. So see, the tape won't come with it, so you should just lightly press it, so it will come like this. Okay, now I'm going to write like my channel name, subscribe, like and share. If you want, you could write whatever you want and stick it at any place. Okay, so it is like when you buy it, it is like the same way as the original sticky notes. You could buy it in the stationery shop, or else you could use this method and do it. So after writing, I pressed it really hard, so that's why I'm taking it really neatly. So if you pressed really hard, make sure to slowly pull that, or else the paper will tear off. Okay, so now see, as I'm making, you should also do like the same way. So take it carefully. So see, now the tape has been attached to the paper, so now you could stick anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is helpful for you. So Please make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon. Then only you will be notified for our new videos like this. So see you in my next video guys. Bye.